Hello, sir. This is Cardot. This is our new product, door handle output smart car alarm system. I will show you how to connect siren. First, you need to connect this main cable, black wire, to connect to negative power. It is also called GND. And connect red wire, 6P red wire, connect to positive power, 12. Then, our siren wire has two wires, red black wire and pink wire. If your siren is positive output, then connect this red black wire to 12 positive power, and this pink wire connect to siren red wire. And siren black wire connect to GND or negative power. Then we press remote lock unlock. Yes, siren makes sound. 擦掉。If your siren is negative output, we connect this red black wire to GND or negative power, and pink wire connect to siren black wire, and siren red black wire connect to 12 positive power. This is the siren negative output connection. Wait a moment. Yes, press remote lock unlock, siren will make sound. Thank you.